Good morning, third grades, or afternoon, depending on when you're doing that. This is Mrs. Nelson again, and we are continuing with Telling Time, Chapter 16. So today what we're going to do is we're going to be adding hours and minutes. So our objective today is to add time with and without regrouping. So make sure that when you need to regroup that you do regroup. So add time without regrouping. So today Mr. Carlson works 2 hours and 15 minutes in the morning. He works 5 hours and 10 minutes in the afternoon. How long did he work today? So you see we have some number bonds, and the number bonds are breaking down to 2 hours and 15 minutes into hours and minutes, and also breaking down to 5 hours and 10 minutes into hours and minutes. So step 1 says to add your hours. So they took 2 hours, and they added 5 hours, and they get 7 hours. Step 2 says to add the minutes. So they took 15 minutes, and they took 10 minutes, and they added those together to get 25 minutes. So we came up with 2 hours and 15 minutes plus 5 hours and 10 minutes equals 7 hours and 25 minutes. So Mr. Carlson worked for 7 hours and 7 hours and 25 minutes. So in our guided learning today, he wants to see what is 3 hours and 20 minutes plus 4 hours and 15 minutes. So the first step we do, because the step up here tells us the first step you want to do is add your hours. So I'm going to add 3 hours and 4 hours, and I get 7 hours. My second step is to add my minutes, so 20 minutes and 15 minutes is going to give me 35 minutes. So our friend over here did exactly what we did. She first added her hours, and she came up with 7 hours, and then she added her minutes, and she came up with 35 minutes. Okay, so that's pretty easy peasy. All right, let's keep going and see if it stays easy peasy. So now it says to add time with regrouping. So now it gets a little bit less easy peasy. So Emily takes a flight from Chicago to New York. She waits 40 minutes to check her luggage. Then she waits 1 hour and 55 minutes before boarding the airplane. How long did she wait in all? So we have 40 minutes plus 1 hour and 55 minutes. So this time it tells us to add the minutes first. So 40 minutes plus 55 minutes equals 95 minutes. But look what our friend is saying. 40 minutes and 55 minutes add up to more than 60 minutes. So I have to regroup. So we add those, we get 95 minutes. Now we're going to break those down. 95 minutes breaks down into 60 minutes, because remember 60 minutes in an hour. And what I'm left with is 35 minutes. Now it says to add the hours. So I have 1 hour and 35 minutes that we got from here, plus the 1 hour that she waited up there. So she waited 2 hours and 35 minutes. So she waits 2 hours and 35 minutes in all. All right, so let's look at an example. 2 hours plus 45 minutes plus 5 hours and 35 minutes. And it's telling us to get the very first thing it wants us to do is add the minutes. So I'm going to say 45 plus 35. We have to do some regrouping. That gives me 80 minutes. So 80 minutes, when I break it into a number bond, equals 60 minutes and 20 minutes. Those 60 minutes becomes 1 hour and 20 minutes. But we're not done yet. We still have to add the rest of it. So we have our 2 hours from here, 5 hours from here. We're now going to take this 1 hour and put it here, plus the 20 minutes that we have from breaking it down. So when I add my hours, I have 2 plus 5 plus 1. That's 8 hours and minutes. So not as easy to do. Just have to make sure that you are breaking down these minutes. When it goes over 60 minutes, that you break it down into hours and minutes. All right, So it says we can use number bonds to help us. So we're going to first start with adding our hours on these. So 4 hours plus 5 hours is going to give us 9 hours. 15 minutes plus 30 minutes is going to give me 45 minutes. Let's add our minutes first on this one. So I have 10 minutes plus 45 minutes. Oh, didn't go over 60, so I'm good. So I have 55 minutes. And then I can just add my hours. 7 plus 2 is 9 hours. Let's do the same thing on number 3. Let's add our minutes first. That's 35 plus 20. Again, didn't go over that 60 minutes, so I'm good. I have 55 minutes. Then I add my hours. 2 hours plus 2 hours is 4 hours. So adding my minutes first. 25 plus 15. Let's do some regrouping there. It's 40 minutes. Didn't go over the 60, so all I have to do is add my hours. Adding our minutes first. 40 plus 10 gives me 50, so 50 gives me 50 minutes. 1 hour plus 2 hours is 3 hours. 30 plus 5 plus 5 gives me 40, so I didn't go over my 60. Plus 6 hours plus 1 hour is 7 hours. All right, now look at the next one. So we're going to start by adding our minutes first because it looks like we're for sure going to go over that hour mark. So we're going to have to do some regrouping. So the first thing I want to do is add 40 and 25. I get 65. If I break that down into hours and minutes, I have 1 hour and 5 minutes. Now I can add, I'm going to add 3 hours plus 5 hours plus 1 hour gives me 9 hours. And I'm going to add 40 minutes, or I'm sorry, and I'm going to just take that 5 minutes because we already added our minutes together. Okay, for number 8, we're going to add 55 minutes plus 15 minutes. And I get 70 minutes. If I break that down into hours and minutes, 1 hour is 60. I'm left with 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add my hours. 4 hours plus 6 hours plus 1 hour gives me 11 hours. 10 minutes. Going on to number 9. We add 57 plus 8. That gives me 65 minutes. Breaking that down into hours and minutes. 5 minutes, 1 hour. So now I add my hours. 2 hours plus 2 hours is 4 hours, plus 1 hour is 5 hours. What I'm left with is 5 minutes. So that's what they did down here. So they broke it down and added them. Okay. 45 minutes plus 40 minutes gives me 85 minutes, broken down into hours and minutes. 1 hour and 25 minutes. I'm going to add 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 5 hours. My minutes, 25 minutes. Okay, same thing on the bottom. I'm going to add 45 plus 50. I get 95. Break that down into hours and minutes. It's 1 hour, 35 minutes. adding them together, I have 3 hours plus 4 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. Some of our work here. Number 12, I'm going to add 37 plus 35. That's 72. Remember, 60 minutes is an hour, so 1 hour. So if I subtract 60 from that, I'm up with 12 minutes. 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 12 minutes. And our very last one, I'm going to add 45, always putting that larger number on the top because we're going to do some subtracting of time too. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So that gives me 70 minutes. 1 hour plus. 1 hour, remember, is 60 minutes. So I have 1 hour, 10 minutes left. So 3 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours. And what's left is my 10 minutes. All right, your assignment today is going to be pages 151 to 152, unless your teacher has you doing something else. So please listen to your teacher before you start doing your assignment or check with them. Have a great day, everyone.